Picture this: a world where power interruptions no longer exist, where your daily tasks unfold seamlessly, regardless of the weather or the grid status. This is the utopia envisioned and relentlessly pursued by portable generator services, fondly known as PGS. They are no ordinary service provider. In fact, they are most top-rated and well-reviewed service and repair provider in Florida, a distinction earned through unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They rise their competition not solely on the strength of their expertise, but also to their comprehensive array of services. PGS sets themselves apart by working seamlessly with all brands. Their service scope stretches from RV and marine generators to industrial ones, from food truck generators to those of small engines, highlighting their technical expertise and dedication to cater to a diverse client base. What makes PGS unique is their strictly mobile nature. They come right to your doorstep, eliminating the need for you to transport your generator. This unmatched convenience further cements PGS's standing in the market, elevating them above many other providers. Their services are not limited to just repairs. PGS also offers maintenance agreements, load banking, diesel fuel polishing, and monthly building tests, to name a few. They even handle gasoline to propane or natural gas conversions and EV charging station contracts. In a world where customer service often falls by the wayside, PGS prioritizes customer education. They ensure you understand the work they're doing, the reason it's necessary, and how it contributes to the longevity and reliability of your generator. As an authorized Duramax dealer and service provider, PGS is recognized for its expertise and high customer satisfaction ratings. This is a testament to their commitment to quality service and their unwavering focus on ensuring uninterrupted power supply. So, how well rated is PGS, you ask? Well, they are consistently rated at the top by their customers for their exceptional service and customer care. Their ratings and reviews speak volumes about their dedication to their craft and their clients. In conclusion, when it comes to generator services, PGS is not just another service provider. They are a partner dedicated to ensuring your power supply remains uninterrupted and your operations continue without a hitch. So, here's a question to ponder. Are you getting the best service for your generator? Because remember, your power supply is too important to entrust to just any provider.